want to give everybody a chance to see this new tool and to encourage you to use it. It's webresearch.fiber.net, and it's a tool that helps you discover information about somebody's website. So whether they're an existing customer and you need to learn some information about their URL, their domain, their name servers, where they're hosted, or whether you're trying to research a new customer, this tool will begin to help you there. We're also keeping on here old sites that have already been looked up. So if we go here and we want to look at a website like nethosting.com, let's say, it's going to do a lookup on all the different parameters on nethosting.com to do with the URL and the domain. So we have the who is for the IP, the who is for the URL, traceroute, the name servers for the URL, and the who is on the name servers for the URL. So you can just scroll through it here. You can actually see the data that was returned, and then we formatted it into a page that hopefully makes a little more sense. The tech contact, the views contact, the owner, etc. So this is on the IP itself for this domain. It's hosted on this IP, or on this IP range that's specified in here, and the owners of the IP are these contacts right here. This is the tech owner, the abuse holder, owner, etc. As far as the URL is concerned, it's the same kind of information. So this is who is on nethosting.com, not its IP, but on the domain itself. This is the admin contact, the tech contact, and the owner of the nethosting.com domain. This traceroute here, if you come to this immediately, you'll see that it's loading, and then it just fills this in as it finishes. It's pretty typical that a traceroute will stop right before the end of it for a various number of reasons. But anyway, that's the traceroute information, and the name servers, and then the owners of the name servers here. So here's the name servers, and then each one of these and their organization or org name and information. That's what this tool's for. It should help you determine all kinds of valuable things in relation to anybody's domain name. So please use it. Please give some feedback if you find anything that's concerning to you or of a problem, or it doesn't make sense. We tried to incorporate some of the information that was already given, and I'd appreciate your feedback. Thank you. Oh, and quickly, by the way, here's the additional sites. So you can see this is the one we just did. This is the date we just did it on. We can look at the existing one we just did, or we can tell it to redo it again. Likewise for any of these here, it'll go ahead and do that. Thank you.